In today's video, I am going to teach you how to replace Slack with Clickup. The goal here is to move your Slack conversations into Clickup so your team can communicate where work is already happening. When chats live alongside tasks, it becomes easier to turn a message into action and reduce constant switching between apps. Clickup includes a Slack importer that can bring over channels, users, and message history, so you can keep important context in one place. To begin, open Clickup and go to your Workspace overview area. From there, look for Settings and select it. This is where you manage workspace-wide tools like integrations, permissions, and data tools. Since we are migrating information from Slack, we will be working inside the import options. Inside Settings, find and click Imports/Exports. This section is specifically designed for bringing data into Clickup or exporting it out for backups and transfers. Once you are in Import/Exports, locate the Slack option in the list of available importers and click Slack. You are now on the Slack import page. Click Upload to start the import process. Upload is used when you have Slack export data that you want to bring into Clickup. Make sure the file you upload matches what Clickup expects for a Slack import, and keep in mind that imports often have limits on how much message history can be brought over per channel. Next, click API. This option is for connecting Slack through an API-based import flow. If you use the API method, follow the on-screen prompts inside Clickup carefully. During this process, you may be asked to authorize access to your Slack workspace so Clickup can read the channels and message history you are importing. Always review what access is being granted, and use an account that has the right permissions to complete the import cleanly. After the import runs, give Clickup time to process everything. Larger workspaces can take longer, so it is normal if results do not appear instantly. Once it is finished, review the imported chats to confirm that the right channels and conversations came through and that your team can find what they need. And that is all there is to it.